Attention, all designers and design teams. Mockplus Black Friday big sales are ongoing now. The biggest day of the year with the best deals. Are you in? This Black Friday sale is a whole package consisting of 3 parts. First, buy one get one free and up to 60% off Mockplus plans. Second, spin and win prizes like iPhone 14 Pro Max, Apple Watch Ultra, and more. Third, a free order giveaway every week for a lucky winner. Ready? Let us now have a detailed look at these offers. Part 1. Black Friday Big Sales. For teams, get buy one get one free at a 20% discounted price. You can buy Mockplus Cloud Pro Annual Plan to improve team collaboration and design handoff. You can buy Mockplus RP Ultimate Annual Plan to get faster prototyping and real-time co-design. For individuals, get up to 60% off Mockplus RP Individual. You can choose between the annual plan or perpetual plan with one-off payment. Part 2. Spin and win prizes. Place an order and get qualified to win nice prizes, including iPhone 14 Pro Max, Apple Watch Ultra, AirPods Pro 2, Amazon gift card, $10, $20, $50, extra 1-month free plan, and more. Wait, you think that's all? No! Join our Discord community and get a chance to have your order placed during Black Friday fully refunded. We will announce the winner every Friday in Discord, so don't forget to come back and check out if you're that lucky winner or not. The clock is ticking. This kind of deal doesn't happen every day, and it won't last forever. Hit it now and make great designs faster and easier all year long with Mockplus.